How to fix your account cannot be created at this time Apple ID. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix your account cannot be created at this time Apple ID. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first fix for this issue is it could be that the Apple server is down overall or the Apple server is down in your particular location. So go ahead and get connected to a VPN and try to create your account again and see if that fixes the issue. If not, it could be because of the poor network settings. So go ahead and reset network settings. In order to reset your network settings, tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now and your issue should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.